Hi everyone, what I'm presenting to you today is a lesson entitled Learn the Numbers in Russian. Today we're only going to take the numbers from 1 to 9. In other words, we're only tackling the first 10. Let's look at this slide. Here you can see all the numbers from 1 to 9. I'm now going to read them to you. Just follow me, try to compare what you can hear through the spelling and try to memorize them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now I'd like to read them to you again. So I'll be pointing at each number with my cursor and I'll be pronouncing it. And I'd like you to repeat after me. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, great. So now let's give ourselves a bit of practice. Can you remember the word for this number? The answer is 6. Now what about this one? Here the answer will be 3. And this one? And the answer will be 9. And what about this one? This is 1. And can you remember the word for this one? 8. And what about this one? And the answer is 4. And this one? Here the answer will be 2. And let's also look at this one. So here the correct version is 5. And finally, this one. The answer here is 7. So now we're going to do another activity, but first I'd like you to click on the buttons that you can see on the video, and it will take you to a page from where you can download this presentation. So I'd like you to download the presentation and to print out the pages 12 and 15. Now that you are ready, let's do this activity. What we're going to do here is I'm going to read you pairs of numbers. For example, I'll say 6, 2. You can take a pencil and you can link those two numbers with a line. And here are the numbers that you must link. 5, 7, 9, 2, 2, 7, 9, 6. So let me read this again. 5, 7, 9, 2, 2, 7, 9, 6. So what do you have? I think is something like this. And it gives us a funny smile. Now let's also look at this page. So please be ready with your pencil. I'm going to dictate the numbers. 7, 1, 9, 4, 9, 1, 2, 7. So let's go over the numbers again. 7, 1, 9, 4, 9, 1, 2, 7. And you must get something like this. And it gives us a picture of a fisherman. And that's about it from this lesson. Of course, you can always rewind the recording and watch it again. But from me, that's it for today.